We are using the following label for questions 6 through 10. So there's a lot of information on this label. And the first question wants to know what volume of diluent must be added. So if we look on the label, that is right here. So it can take a while to find. Next, they want to know how long will the solution retain its potency. And that is actually off to the side here. So it says, after mixing, store at 15 to 30 degrees Celsius and use within 14 days. Do not refrigerate. So this is going to be 2 weeks. If the solution is reconstituted on February 2nd at 9:45, what expiration date is printed on the label? So that would be February 16th at 9:45. So just add 14 days to this. Number 9 says, if the order is for 0.2 grams, how much should be given? So in order to figure this out, I need to know what the strength is, and that is right here. So again, I'm searching for the word per or slash or contains. That tells me the solution strength. So 250 mg over 5 mLs, and my order is coming in at 0.2 grams, and I need to convert this to 200 milligrams. So 5 times 200 divided by 250, and we get 4. So 4 mLs. Question 10 says, if the order is for 340 milligrams, how much should be given? We're dealing with the same medicine, so it's the same rate, just a different order. And I don't need to convert this one because it's already in milligrams. So if I solve the proportion, I get 6.8 mLs.